Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up as an Instacart shopper step by step. Let's get started. Once you are in mobile browser, search for Instacart Shopper or go directly to shoppers.instacart.com. Once you are there, tap the sign up button in the top right corner. Enter your first and last name, email, phone number and zip code. Then click create account and your new account will be instantly created. Next, you will need to confirm your phone number, agree to the Instacart's terms and policy, choose your shopper role, full-time shopper, in-store shopper. Full-service shopper means requires a vehicle. In-store shopper doesn't require a vehicle. Select the one that fits your lifestyle and tap continue. To verify your identity and eligibility, upload a valid driver license. Provide your social security number. Consent to a background check. This usually takes a few days. Once they're done, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. Log in using the account you just created. Inside the app, follow the onboarding steps, set up your payment info, review Instacart policies and tutorials. Once you are approved, you can start accepting orders, browse available batches and choose the ones that work with your schedule. And that's it. You are now ready to start earning as an Instacart shopper. If this video helped, please give it a like. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.